Welcome back to the channel where our goal is to help 100 aspiring developers get jobs this year. Especially if you haven't been doing anything, let's get started. Before we get started in today, which is HTML basic elements and tags, download the free cheat sheet in the description below. This is just going to help speed up your progress, right? We don't want to be stagnant in learning how to code. We want to be working as fast and as efficient as possible. So without further ado, here's the lesson. Great website, Code Sandbox. Look into it. You want to go to create. I'm not going to tell you how to create an account. Like you're on YouTube. You know how to do that. All right. Click static, like you just saw me do. It's going to open up an IDE, a text editor. You can code in Word docs, by the way. And you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff on the screen. Honestly, this is just telling you the document type is HTML. This is always present with HTML code. You have an HTML tag. The tags are symbolized by this less than sign and this greater than sign. And then this is an opening tag. If there's no / in it, that's an opening tag. If you look down here, you see this / right here. That means that this is a closing tag. Some tags are self-closing. So if I hit save, you see how it basically edits the code to fix any mistakes. So when this code first loaded up, it had mistakes in it. As you can see here, this meta tag is self-closing. Okay. So those are the types of tags. You have a title down here. If I was to change this title to, let's say, Dev Jourknee, hit save, Control S or Command S if you're on Mac. We go over here at this tippy top of the tab. The tab name now is Dev Jourknee. That's the title. Title is the tab name. We're going to go into the body. Boom, body. We got opening tag, closing tag. Everything inside of this body is what's going to be displayed on the screen. You see, this is static template. This is static template. Let's change that because that's pretty boring. Let's add some excitement into it. Hi, Mom. I made it. Unlike the Lakers and the Celtics, I made it. I'm here. Let's hit save. Shots fired. If you're one of those fans, shots fired. All right. So, hi, I made it. Boom. We have our site up. We hit save. We go over here. Oh, nothing happened. Why? Because it's reading the old HTML code. So we need to refresh it. Tell the browser to look at the code again. It looks at the code again. It saw, hi, Mom, I made it in the body. So now it's displaying it properly. There are tons and tons and tons of different tags. What I did, I put together most common tags for you guys for HTML, the most common styles for you guys with CSS, and a very simple breakdown of JavaScript as well for you guys. And that is all in the link below. It's a web development cheat sheet for you. And through this series, you're going to find so much benefit from it. Sign up for it, and you're going to get also additional resources and materials as we go on this journey. Again, the goal is for 100 of you to get a job. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this. Also, what you're excited for to come. What's your goal? I want to know what your goals are as well. What can I do to help you? We're going to be doing some live coaching sessions. We're going to be doing some Q&As. Definitely make sure you subscribe because it's going to be coming from you guys. Live calls with you guys. Okay? So let's make it happen. Remember, keep coding, keep practicing. The more you do it, the easier it will be. A code a day keeps the doctor away. See you guys.